What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video. Yeah man, so today is the day. I ain't got too much going on. Just gonna give y'all some kind of video since it's been a few days. I'm actually about to clean out the trunk of the SS and recondition a few things. You see we got the trunk here. You know what I'm saying? Got a little trash got here. Got a little rust. We're gonna clean that out, clean this carpet out, and I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna cut y'all off and cut y'all back on in a minute. So yeah, G.D.I.Y gang, this is the flow, the trunk pan. I'm gonna get that little rust down right there, knock that down, prep it, put some good rust stuff on it, and do a little painting. Get all that out. We gotta clean it out, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get ready for the summer, I guess. I'm gonna do a little something. We gonna see. Alright. Alright, so yeah, that knocked down the rust about as good as it want to be knocked down. Next, I will be putting the rust treatment on it from Rust-Oleum. Matter of fact, hold on, I'll show you guys right now. This is what I will be using on it. Come on. The 2-in-1 Rust-Oleum Reform. See, I don't know why I don't want to focus, but whatever. This is what I'm using. So yeah, let me get this together, cut y'all off, put y'all back on. Alright, so I got me a batch mixed up right there. I'm gonna go ahead and start painting from back there where the rust at, where the spots at, and I'm gonna bring it on down. Bring it on down. Alright, G.D.I.Y gang. This is what we got. This is the finished product. I'm gonna let that dry, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Everything looking good. I'm gonna hit the other side with the spray. I got some in the spray can too. And I'm gonna use that because I gotta save the rest of this paint on for my rear end. But yes sir, that's it right there. I'll have a clean trunk, you feel me, with some good carpet and some speakers and all that, you know what I mean? But yeah man, that's the end of the video, man. Remember what I always say, if them shots backed up and you don't know where to start, sometimes you gotta do it yourself. It's Mr. G.D.I.Y. and I'm out, man. Catch y'all on the next video. Yeah.